Yeah.
Where go?
You free November 2nd?
November, yeah. For what?
Dolce and Mocha get baptized.
Who?
Eh?
Who that? Who? Where is that?
You
Yo.
not hear me?
Wait a minute. Who
The
get baptized?
Dolce and Mocha.
Who names up?
My dogs.
Yo, I'm here, man. So what you want to do? Yo. So you want to get baptized too?
Yeah. Not that day.
So which part them get baptized?
In Brooklyn.
So what you want to know? What you want to do?
What you mean?
Where you call me for? What you want to do? What?
For you come and support, and then mega have a gathering after so you can play music.
Yo, I never seen this in my life, man. Yo, Jaja, I never seen this in my life.
Me I go send you the flyer.
Yeah, yo, Zaya, I never hear this in my life yet.